Why we remove shoes before entering temple? It is believed that continued practice of prayer, meditation, yajna and rituals, etc., the temple become the meeting point of energy and it's swirling around the temple. And if you have noticed, you feel peaceful when you enter inside the temple because of same energy. When we enter the temple barefoot, we become the conductor of the energy swirling around, and temples have a channel of energy that is exchanged with our bodies when we are barefoot. Also, many times temple floors are covered in turmeric and sindoor, which is therapeutic, thereby enhancing our health when we step barefoot. Hope you have understood why we remove shoes before entering temple. Thank you.